कैसे हैं आप सब लोग हैं? आप लोग सब खैरियत से होंगे और मैं गुफ्ता अली वोकेशनल बैंक सदर में आपको वेलकम करते हैं। सो आज वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द बेस्ट फ्री SEO tools for blogger. If you are the website developer as well as the app designer and as well as the website designer. So if you want to boost your website, boost your content, so you can use SEO for the analytics. So we are going to discuss the first website. This is called the Google Analytics. Google Analytics will provide you valuable analytics about your websites, about your content, and about your web if you want to boost. So move on. The next website, this is called the Google Search Console app. The Google Search Console is a free tool that allows you to learn useful information about your websites and as well as the visitors. It's also make your website shine, and if you can easily search the traffic and the performance, and they improve your website visitors, so you can use this website SEO engine. So next tool we are going to discuss the Google Page Speed Insight. It's a set of web tools intended to improve sites loading speed. So move on. The next website, Ahref SEO tool, which is the most important tool if you are boost your website. So Ahref gives you an estimate that the month's traffic for the domain you analyzed. So this is called the SEO best tool. If you want to see your website ranking, the traffic toward your website, and track your ranking progress as well as and also analysis your competitors. So move on. The next website, this is called the Yoast SEO tool. This is very useful if you are as a blogger working, and if you are working as a website designer. So Yoast SEO will provide basic tips for making the most out of the plugin as well as your content. So last on the list, we are going to discuss the SEO Quick. This is also the web Chrome extension. The Quick is a free plugin available to use on any website. It's often all organic research data for a single click. It is a compatibility with Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, and Opera as well. This is the extension if you are boost your SEO tools, so you can use all these things. So I hope today's lecture is very informative for you. So we will be meeting inshallah in the next tutorial. Till take care yourself. Allah Hafiz.